The University of South Wales is delighted to be working in partnership with Lexicon MILE. We've been welcoming Lexicon MILE students for many years. They are very committed, great quality students, and they really make the most of all the opportunities the university gives them. An example being the placements we offer as part of the MBA Global. Students settle in so well, and that's because the university's MBA Global is based in the Newport campus, and it's so close to Cardiff, the capital city of Wales, and really accessible to London too. It's less than 2 hours away. And because we're outside London, the cost of living is so much lower, and it's such a safe place to study. There's also a lot of support available to Lexicon MILE students, whether that be through the faculty with securing placements or through USW International. We support them all the way from the beginning of the process, through the beginning of the application, right through while they are studying with us, and then even after graduation. So it really is a pleasure to be working with Lexicon MILE.